हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम यू ऑल हियर। यदि आपने अब तक हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी दबाएं सब्सक्राइब बटन को। इसके बगल में दिए गए बेल आइकन को दबाना न भूलें ताकि हमारे सारे नए वीडियोस आपको सबसे पहले देखने को मिलें। धन्यवाद।
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमारा ये चौथा क्लास है, क्लास 9th मैथमेटिक्स। और आज हम फिर से कंटिन्यू करेंगे नंबर सिस्टम्स। और आज का टॉपिक है रियल नंबर्स एंड देयर डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन। तो आज शुरू करते हैं। हमें उम्मीद है कि जो पिछले वीडियोस हमने बना के दिए उनसे आप लोगों को लाभ मिल रहा होगा। और आज का भी जो वर्क हम करने जा रहे हैं उसका पूरा फ़ायदा उठाइए। इसको ध्यान से देखिए, रिपीट कर के देखिए जितना समझ में आए, और एक्सरसाइजेज जरूर करें। फ्रॉम योर NCERT बुक क्लास 9th पेज नंबर 9, one example I am taking. Find the decimal expansion of 10/3, 7/8 and 1/7. So one by one I will take. Just see how to perform. See its solution. You are knowing already, studied in previous classes, but I am going to revise it. Just divide it. 3 3s are 9. Carry 1, put here decimal, increase 1 0, again you can see 3s are, and it will give the remainder 1 again, and it will never finish. It means it will give the answer same 3 times 1 and continue. So students, you can see, you can write your answer like this. 10/3 can be written as 3.33. how much 3 you want to write, and so on. So this is decimal expansion of the 10/3. Now see the decimal expansion of 7/8. So we will do usually as we are knowing. So how much the zeros are? Now see 7. Put here one decimal. Increase 1 0. And see how much times. So 8 8 ja 64. Now subtract, so it is coming 6. Since decimal is here, so you can increase 1 0, and now you can see 8 8 7 ja 8 7 ja 56. Again subtracting, we are getting 4. Since decimal is here, increasing 1 0. Now 8 5 ja 40. So in this way number terminates. So write its decimal expansion as 8. 7/8 can be written as 0.875. This is your answer. So just you can see previous number you have seen, that number is non-terminating repeating decimal. but in this case you can say we are getting its decimal expansion terminating. So this is your answer of this second one. And now last one. Now let us see the decimal expansion of 1 upon 7. So we are going to find its decimal expansion. How much is it? First you can see 0, yeah, 1. 1 decimal. Now 1 0 increased. 7 1 yeah. So in this way we will complete its division. So now this division is completed up to this stage. See, when we will stop the division, you can see we are going to divide 1 by 7. So continuing the division till 1 again comes. So ultimately 1 comes at this stage. So we can stop division and we will write our answer 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142857, and 1 again all the same number will repeat. So we will write these numbers a bar on it. How much digits are repeating, we will make a bar on it. So you can see your answer is, now you can see 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142857, and since numbers from 1 to 7 is repeating, so we will make a bar on these digits. So which type of number we obtained here? You can see the number is a recurring decimal, or you can say non-terminating repeating decimal. So students, in the exercise 1.3 you can see question number 2 is on same variety. So question number 2, the value of this one is given. You have to find the other values. Suppose you want to get the value of 2 upon 7. So just make it twice. Just multiply it by 2 so you can get it twice. Now thrice. If you want to get 2 upon 7. So you can see 2 into 1 upon 7. And the value of 1 upon 7 is written there. You just write here 14285 and it is multiplied by 2. So just do it twice. So 2 repetition you will must do this bar. 2 7 14, 2 5 10, 1 11, 2 16, or in the carry 1 17. Here 2 2 the 4, 1 5, 2 4 the 8, 2 1 the 2, and again decimal. Do not forget to make this bar on it. So this is the value of 2 upon 7. So you can perform, you can do like this. Question number exercise 1.3 question number 2 also you can do. And before this one, 2 examples I have done. So on that basis and this basis you can do the question number 1. So different parts of the question number 1 are like this: 36 upon 100, 1 upon 11, 4 whole number 1 upon 8, 3 upon 13, 2 upon 11, 329 upon 400. So there are 6 parts in question number 1. You can do yourself. So come to see the question number 3. For the question number 3, how you will perform? Just see. Question 8, example number 8. Show that 1.272727 is this equal to, this can be written as 1.27 repeating. Can be expressed in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So let us see how we will do this question. So see its solution. First you consider let x is equal to this given number 1.27, repeating 2 and 7. So see how much after decimal place, how much digits are repeating. So you will multiply corresponding zeros. How much digits are repeating? 2 digits. So 2 0 containing 100. So you must write multiplying equation 1 by 100. You can get 100x is equal to 100 into 1.27 repeating. So see its next part. This is, you can rewrite it as 127.27 and these 27 again repeating. So this is product of 100 and 1.27 repeating. So this is the relation number second. Now subtracting first from second, we get 100 x minus x is equal to 127, this one 0.27 repeating minus 1.27. So you can subtract very easily this one. After decimal place 27 repeating, after decimal place here 27 is repeating. So after decimal no number is there, and 127 minus 1, so 126. So you can see this side 99 years. So value of x is coming 126 upon 99. So students, this is your answer. You can simplify if it can be simplified if some common factor in numerator and denominator. You can see its simplest form 1 और इसको डिवाइड करेंगे 9 से, तो 9 1 जा 9, 3 so 36, 9 4 जा. So your answer is coming 14 upon 11. Look on the whiteboard. Example 9. Show that 0.235355 equal to, that can be written as this one form. Here you can see 0.235. Only you can see 35 is repeating. This 2 is not repeating. So this bar is only on the top of 3, 5, not on the top of 2. So we will do this question like this. First you consider that x is equal to 0.235. You convert it in the previous form. Just after decimal, number should start repeating. Here, after decimal, this 2 is not repeating. So just we will multiplying both the sides by 10. So we get 10x is equal to multiplying by 10. So ultimately we will get 2.35 repeating. Now you can see this number is repeating after decimal. Both digits are repeating. Now applying the previous method, how much digits are repeating after decimal place? Only 2 digits. So we will do like this. By 100 we get 100 into 10x, 100 into 2.35. In this side you will get 1000x, and this side 235.35 again repeating. This is relation number second, and this one is relation number 1, or you can say equation number 1. Now we will subtract first from second. 1000 minus 10x and 235.35 repeating minus 2.35 repeating. So you can see that in left hand side you can get 990x. Here the after decimal nothing you will get, only this side you will get 235 minus 2, so 233. So the value of x is coming 233 upon 99. So ultimately answer is coming x is equal to 233 upon 990. This is the it is now converted in the form of p upon q. So this is the answer of this question. So on this basis you can do all the parts of the exercise 1.3 question number 3. So this question number 3 completes now. Example 10. Find an irrational number between 1 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. So you can see you are knowing the value of 1 upon 7 is this one done in previous questions, and the value of 2 is also we have calculated. You can see it. Now you can find out the number after this. 0.14 and here 0.28. So between 0.1 and 0.2 there are so many numbers. So you can write your answer like this, and irrational number between 1 upon 7 and 2 upon 7 is, we can write like this, 0.2 There is not only one number, there are infinitely many numbers between two given any real numbers. So I am writing only one of them. 1.4, here we can write 5 or 6. 5 you are writing, so now it is greater. This number is greater than this one. So between we want to write, so it's just after any digit you can select. Now you can write 0, 5, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5 and 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 and so on. So you can see we are writing here non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. It is irrational number. So we will follow the pattern of the irrational number. So many numbers you can do on this basis. See question number 8. Question number 8 in your N.C.E.R.T book. Find three different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 upon 7 and 9 upon 11. So students, concept is clear. Using this one, the example for the doing the question number 8 of your book. Come to see question number 7. 7 is also of the same variety. Write the three numbers whose decimal expansion are non-terminating, non-recurring. So any three number you can write. Question number 8 is very simple. As I have made one pattern, so of the different variety, but pattern you should select, depend on you. Question number 8 you may do yourself. Now come to the question number 9. Question number 9, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Exercise 1.3, question number 9. It is last question of the exercise. Classify the following as rational or irrational. So 5 parts are given here. In first part, under root 2, 3. In second part, under root 2 to 5. In third part, 0.3796. And in fourth part, 7.478478 dot dot dot, and last one is 1.10 and so on. So there are 5 numbers, taking one by one. See under root 23. This number you can see, if you will find its square root will non-terminating, non-repeating. So you can see which type of number. Non-terminating, non-repeating numbers are irrational. So first one, where you will write in column of irrational number. So you can see first number is where you will write under root 23. Reason you are knowing why. Already I told you. Here you can see, if you will find under root of 2 to 5, you will get 15, and 15 is a rational number. So your second one is, you will classify in this category rational number. Why it is rational? You can write its value against it. That's why it is rational. Come to the third one. See which type of number this. After decimal place, 4 up to 4 digit it terminates. Therefore, all the terminating decimals are rational number. So where you will write number third, you will write this side. You may write your reason why. Why it is a rational number? You must write because this number is terminating decimal. Now come to see fourth one. In question number 4, you can see 7.478. 478. It means 478 is repeating. So which type of number is this? This is a recurring decimal, or you can say non-terminating repeating. And you know all the non-terminating repeating numbers are rational numbers. So fourth number you will write in which category? In rational number. Now one number is left. Here last one. You can see 1.101001000010001 dot means non-terminating, and it is also non-repeating. No set of number repeating. So in which category this number will come? In irrational numbers. So just you write here in the last 1.1010010001401 dot. So in the students, in this way exercise 1.3 completes, and it was the last question of this exercise. आई होप आपको बहुत पसंद आ रहा होगा, आपके लिए काफ़ी फायदेमंद एक्सरसाइजेज हैं। आप एनसीईआरटी बुक के 1.3 के सॉल्व ऑल द क्वेश्चंस and also share it with your friends. Send the link to them so that they can get benefit in this lockdown. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.